Happy Halloween, everyone! Hello everyone! Happy Halloween! Kanina pa ako nakauwi. Pumunta ako kaninang umaga sa dentist kasi may appointment ako kaninang umaga ng alas 9 ng umaga. So, ang aga kong nagising ngayon kaya pagkadating ko galing sa dentist, natulog ako ng mga almost 2 hours. So, kagigising ko lang. Nagre-ready na ako para sa Halloween. Antay tayo mamaya ng mga bata. Mamimigay tayo ng candy. Siguro mga 5 o'clock mag-start na yung mga batang punta ng door to door. So, ayun. Ready na ako. Nag-aantay na lang ako ng mga bata kung anong oras silang pupunta. Katok sa pintuan. So, ngayon yung costume ko, katulad ng last year, yung Princess Anna. So, Dan bought me the costume last year from Amazon. So, I'm still have it. I keep it just in case I'm gonna celebrate Halloween. So yeah, I'm going to celebrate the Halloween today and I'm gonna give candies to kids. So guys, hindi pa kami tapos sa sala. Makalat pa rin. Okay, marami pa kaming kailangang itapon or ayusin. Kung napanood nyo yung last na vlog yung nag-demolish kami dito sa wall, tinanggal namin yung cabis, yung mga cabinet. So ngayon na naayos na ni Dan yung dito sa side, okay na yung side na niya. Na-set up niya na yung desk niya kahapon, kasi day off namin kahapon. Ang ginawa niyang desk, DIY lang, yung pintuan na meron siya dito na hindi namin ginagamit. So ginawa niyang desk, nilagyan niya lang ng nightstand. Kumbaga, yung parang paa, yun na yung ginamit niya, yung nightstand. So, he did a good job. It looked nice. So, ayun, na-set up niya na yung computer, desk. So, next, yung kabila naman ang ayusin namin. Magulo pa, ang daming trash doon. Yun lahat, yung trash yun kailangan nang itapon. Kasi yung lumang desk yun ni Dan, inan yun na lang. Ang tawag dito? Inan-screw niya, kinalas niya yung para mabilis itapon sa garbage. Yung kapitbahay namin palagi yan. Ayoko nung nakakarinig na tumatahol na aso. So, yung kapitbahay namin na may aso ditong dalawa. Palaging tumatahol yung aso. Ayoko nung nakakarinig na ganun tumatahol. Parang nire-remind sa akin na yung nakakatakot na mga movies. Pag narinig ko yung asong yung tawag dito, naputol yung video ko kasi napuno na naman yung memory card ko. Yun yung ayaw ko palagi. Napupuno agad yung memory card ko. So, nakalimutan ko. So, yun nga yung nakaka-relate ako sa mga nakakatakot na movies. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo guys yung ginawa, yung DIY na desk ni Dan. Yan siya. Teka kung makikita nyo. So, ito guys yung yung DIY na desk ni Dan. Pasensya na dito, medyo makalat pa. So, ito yung pintuan. Dinikit niya lang sa wall, nilagyan niya ng bracket. And then, ito naman yung nightstand. Yung kumbaga, yung sa desk, yung niya, yung paa. So, instead na yung paa na talagang yung paa ng desk, nilagyan niya ng nightstand para may storage ba ng mga mga paperwork, computer tools, whatever. So ayun na yung computer desk ni Dan na ayos na. Tapos ito yung wall, na alala nyo yung wall, may cabinet dito. Tinanggal namin yung cabinet para maging flat na siya. So ayun. So, ayun guys, maganda yung pagkakagawa ni Dan. Nakatipid kami kasi kung bumili ka rin ng, tawag dito? Yung talagang, buo ng desk, mahal din eh. So, may extra pintuan kami dito na hindi namin ginagamit. Yun na lang yung ginawa niyang desk. So, di ba nakatipid ng ng bonggang-bongga. Kailangan ko palang bumalik ng dentist Wednesday, guys, kasi ayan naman sinasabi ko. Kaya importante talaga, guys, yung pumupunta ka sa dentist kasi na-check nila yung ipin mo. Tsaka nami-maintain na kumbaga naiiwasan yung ipin mong maging bad, nami-maintain na maging healthy yung ngipin mo, tsaka at the same time yung gums mo. Ayan naman sinasabi ko kasi pinababalik ako ng Wednesday kasi tawag dito feeling. So I have feeling, if you feel nila yung itong harapang natit ko kasi nga ayan. Dati kasi hindi ko alagaan yung ipin ko. Ngayon ko lang na-realize na importante palaga yung talagang pumupunta ka at least regular cleaning. So, ayun, if feeling nila yun Wednesday. And then, instead of going to the dentist every 6 months, the regular cleaning. So, they recommend me to go every 4 months again because on my top 2 teeth, one here and one here, they said that it's bleeding a lot, so they're gonna deep cleaning again to my top teeth. So I hate deep cleaning because they're gonna clean it inside the gum, so even they make your gums numb, but you can still what do you call that, feel the pressure. So good luck. So on Wednesday I'm having a feeling yan, itong gitna. Kasi nakita nila meron akong cavities dito sa itong dalawang ipin na to, meron akong cavities. Kaya nirecommend ulit ng dentist na try to use a lot the water pick. Well, I do have a water pick. I didn't use it at all. So, and also flossing so that keep your gums healthy. So, that's it, guys, for my dentist this morning. So I have to go back on Wednesday for filling, and then probably they're gonna make my gums numb because they're gonna clean it inside through the gums. I think that's I remember. So good luck. Going to the dentist, it sucks, but keep in mind we have to go to the dentist at least regular cleaning. They keep our teeth healthy and also our gums healthy. Excited ako mamaya sa mga bata. Itatago ko yung camera ko. Gusto kong mag-add ng maliit na clips lang sa Halloween vlog ko. Sana naka-video tayo. Inulit ko na naman, pasensya na. Wala pa mga bata, guys, kasi siguro dahil sa malamig ngayon, kaya isang bata pa lang yung nagkatok sa pintuan. Antay tayo ulit ng mga minuto bago makaantay ng kids na bigyan natin ng candy. Hi guys, so while we're waiting for kids to knock to the door, so I just got a package today, and this is the things that I ordered in Amazon like 2 days ago, so it's quick. So only yeah, I ordered it 2 days ago, but anyways, it's here, so yay. So I ordered, maybe I'm gonna review it. Maybe we'll see if like it's like work, if it's gonna work for me. It is a whitening cream. Never heard of it, but I want to try this. This is how it looks like, guys. But anyways, this is how it's look like. It's a underarm whitening cream. The underarm whitening cream. And then I want to try this because I've seen what do you call this? Simply Yos. If you know her, guys, if you subscribe to her channel, so I watch her reviews about this. So this is a kojic acid, tranexamic acid. It's a Velo Intensive Whitening Bar. It's a Velo Intensive Whitening Bar. So napanood ko yung vlog niya, yung reviews niya. So na-curious ako. So chinek ko siya sa Amazon. Meron siya sa Amazon. Pwede niyo itong order sa Amazon kung nandito kayo around sa US kasi wala nitong sinisale sa store dito sa US. Not sure, maybe sa Asian store or Filipino store maybe. Not sure. So I researched and look it in Amazon. They have this. It look like smaller soap bar. Yeah, it is small. But anyways, I'm gonna try. I'm gonna give a try. I'm gonna use it for my face, maybe my acne and blemishes and breakout. I'm gonna fix this. We'll see. So I'm just gonna give a try, and then I'm still waiting for kids. There's no kids. It's just one kids earlier. That's it. Maybe Dan said I asked for him. He said it's gonna be busy around 7 to 9. So wait natin hanggang 9 o'clock. So wait natin. May tumatawag. So wait natin guys hanggang 9 o'clock yung mga bata na kumatok sa pintuan. And then I got this Samsung memory card. So kaya bumili ako kasi yung problema ko, may dalawa na akong memory card. 128 yung dalawang yun. Napupuno ko agad. Mahilig kasi akong mag-picture. So kaya yung mga vlog natin nakakapuno talaga yun ng memory. So binilihan ako ni Dan ng another extra. Ito naman 256 siya. Medyo malaki yung storage niya. Yan. So, ayun, yay, I'm excited. So, marami na tayong memory card just in case meron tayong just in case na mapuno yung natin, yung isang memory SD card. So, meron tayong extra. So, yeah, Samsung SD card, it's 256 yung niya. Yung laki niya. So, yay! I'm still waiting for kids. Nakalimutan ko guys isuot yung Halloween costume ko, yung wig na Ana and then yung dress. So susuot ko na lang for maybe try natin guys. Pakita ko sa inyo yung itsura. So saglit lang guys. Try natin yung yung Halloween costume na Ana from Frozen. So guys, ito na yung costume ko. Ang cute, ang ganda oh. Ayan. Yan yung wig ni Ana. Tsaka ito yung costume. Dress. Ayan siya guys. Oh. Ang cute. Ayan. So ito. Ang haba niya guys hanggang sa dulo. And then, yan yung may pa-costume pa daw wig. Oh. And then, yan siya. Cute talaga ng wig na to. Ganyan siya guys. Oh. Yung tsura niya. Ito ganito. Yan. So, ayun. Cute outfit. Princess Anna from Frozen. So, i-end ko na tong video na to, guys. Happy Halloween, everyone. Wala na atang pupuntang bata kasi malamig nga yung weather ngayon. Sobrang lamig ng weather ngayon. Yung snow sa labas, sobrang thick pa. So, dito ko natatapusin yung vlog ko dito ko natatapusin yung vlog guys. And then, thank you so much for watching everyone. And, munti ko na makalimutan, may nagpapa-shoutout pala. May nagpapa-shoutout na. Si Sis Nakalimutan ko, wait lang. Mahaba kasi yung name niya. Wait lang guys ha. Check ko yung name niya. Yan, isa shout out natin guys si Catherine Salvahidma. I'm not sure if I say it right, but hello sis Catherine Salvahidma. If you haven't subscribed to her channel, please go visit her channel. She's a good friend. She's beautiful and she's a good friend, and she just moved. Okay guys, continue. Yun nga, so nasabi ko, buti na lang meron na akong another extra SD card. Napuno na naman yung SD card ko, kaya nag-stop ako. So, yun na nga yung nagpapa-shoutout si Sis Catherine Salva Hidma. So, she just moved to Netherlands with her husband. So, hello sis! Shout out to you! So, that's it for today's vlog, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope I will see you on my next vlog again. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!